Hello again and welcome. Now in this section the parts that are going to be tackled are the wheel hubs, followed by the half shafts and differential. To start off we have the housing, the backplate, the stub axle, the nut and washer that holds it into place. The next piece of the puzzle is the hub. Now this is the outer race of the inner bearing, and to balance it out on the other side there is the outer bearing. Now the rear part of the hub has an oil seal to keep the oil inside and not let any water and dirt to enter. On the other side of the stub axle it is secured by means of a thrust washer and the hub nut. Also the grease is held in by means of a grease cap. And finally the last part is the control arm, which is linked to the steering rack and provides the steering. Now here you can see the assembly of the left and right hub units. Now in this section we are going to deal with the rear part of the car. So here's a constant velocity joint, and we're gonna take a look at how it is assembled. Since most of the footage is now missing with regards to rebuilding the rear axle, what is left is just the reassembly of the half shafts back in their location, and the differential was bolted back into the subframe.